Our next video is to produce the lab video for the which can be used by the MCT and that can be used by the student as well in the class. So the aim of the project is to produce a video of the lab as stated in the AZ-400. We're not trying to reinvent the wheel. We just want to make sure that each of the steps can be. So as for the lab one, we'll be looking at which is the Agile Project Management. We're looking at working with the teams, area and iteration, working with work items, managing sprint and capacity, customizing Kanban board, and defining the dashboard. Then finally, how you can customize the team. So we're going to get started with working with the teams. So the steps stated in the lab manual, we're just going to. In the previous video, we created the project, and that's the project we're going to be using now. So the first thing we want to do is that when I click on this my project, so it's going to give me the details of my project. Then according to the lab, the first we need to do is we want to create a team. So how do we? So to create a teams, I will go to the project objective. So I'll go to the project setting to create the teams. Then you select the existing teams that we have there already. So what we're trying to do is to create a team. You see the list of the teams. So to create a new team, so you click on new teams, team, and the team name is going to be PUL-WEB, and the member, it has the default. It has a default member, which is going to be myself, and you have the pattern and contribution. So you click on create. That is the first simple task that you need to create teams, and you can see it has already created that. So the next thing we want to do is we want to add. So by default, the new team has only its members, so you can use this one to view the membership notification. But first, you want to define the schedule and the scope of that teams, and that's why you do the iteration. So when you click on this, it gives you the details about it. So you click on the iteration and the path area. So you'll be able to select it and select the iteration that you want it to show. So I'm going to click on my iteration, and here I'm going to select the iteration that I want it to be, and it's going to be sprint 1. So that's going to show me parts unlimited, which is my project. Then I will close it. So the next thing I want to include is I want you to include the sub area. So I'm going to switch over to the sub area, which you're going to see. So I'll click on this 3 dot line, and I'll say, I'll go to the area. Then I'm going to click on the 3 dot area, and I'll ask it to include the. So that is the summary of the first task that you need to carry out in the lab. Thank you.